Hi and welcome to Excel VBA Library Management System. Let me show you guys how this works. So you can always click on these to add all of this information straight onto the spreadsheet. We can reset and start the whole process again. And let's add new data. So let's say it's admin staff, and the name is, let's go for Sally, and the surname of Sally is Sally Johnson. Address 45 John Way, and here let's call that London. Postcode, mobile number, and what book does she want? Let's go for Little Venice, and return date is Friday. There. So what I'm going to do now is to take you guys straight into Excel development environment. I will put one of these together, but before then we can always save this straight onto the spreadsheet, which is right here. All you just need to do is to click on display data. There we go. You see that, guys? There. So let's go straight into Excel and start a new project entirely. Hi, welcome to Excel tutorial of Library Management System. Alright, the first thing I'd like to do is to show you guys how I'm going to get into the development area. So click on the file and make sure you select options, and then this dialog box pops up. Go to customize ribbon, and inside the customize ribbon make sure the developer checkbox is selected. Click on OK, and there you should be able to see the developer menu up there. Now click on the developer menu and select Visual Basic, or you can always press Alt F11, as you can see right there. Now click on that. The next thing we want to do is to insert. Click on insert, select user form, and once the user form is ready, define the size of your user form. This very form, I'm going to make it the height. I'm going to make the height approximately 686. Then the width of the form, I'm going to make that approximately 1030. There we go. Now the next thing we want to do is to make sure we select the tools. If the tools is not ready, just click on it right there. And let's select the frame. Let's go for the frame. Should be one of these. Right, I think this is it. So click on the frame and drag. Okay, if you don't have the new frame on your system, if you don't have this, you can always use the ordinary frame, which is right here. Okay, I'm going to undo that. So what I'm going to do is to just copy these across, because I'm going to need a couple of those. Yeah, there's one more here. Right. So we now need the empty frame. Let's get an empty frame there, because I'm going to need some text there. Let's come in here first. Let's get a list box. Yeah, right, draw a list box there. Okay, we also need two combo box. So let's see the combo box. I think that's a combo box. So I need two of those. Right. We have to move some of these down the way I want my combo box placed. I want it right at the top. Right there. Grab all this other one and just move it down. Right, and I also need to copy this across. Okay, one more combo box, we actually finish up what I intend to achieve. So move this down and copy and do that. I need to copy, just move it down. This one's, and let's copy this other combo box. There we go. There. Now what else do I need? I need some more labels here. Right, need four more labels. Yeah, grab and drag. Total, that should be 9. Yeah, and this one should be 9 as well. Okay, we need 2 more here, really. Just copy. There we go. Right, so what I'm going to do is just to give it a name. But like I said, if you don't have these toolkits here, just do it manually. Use this and this component here, label and text. That makes life easy. Okay, so let's speed that up. Okay, just for the new beginners, I'm actually started to name all of the labels, so it's going to take some time. However, all you just need to do is to click on the caption and change the names around. So I'm going to have to speed that up. So let's do that. Let's speed that up. Okay, this is how the interface is looking now. Let's show it to you guys. So we're going to need title, so let's copy this and just move it down a little bit. Move everything down. Right, and up here let's add a frame here for the title. On that frame, let's copy one of these, paste it there. I will just call that library management system and increase the font. There, and let's increase the font size to something a little bit more readable. Come in here, font, yes, and change that to maybe 36. We might as well just make it bold. Right, now we're gonna get it centered. Let's look for aligned. There we go. Okay, now I also need another label here, sorry, another frame here. Right, on this frame I need a combo box. I need 2 of those. Yeah, and one more. Click and hold. And some labels underneath. So that is going to be, let's call that Sunday. I will need to increase the font size. Let's copy it across. And change the names around anyway. Then I need command box, command buttons. We'll drag those ones across. Okay, I'm going to have to speed it all up and just sort of like get back to you guys. Okay, Okay, I've finished with the interface, so let's see how it looks like now. That's it. That's where my calendar will be, and here I have exit and so on, display. I think I may have to select all of these and just get rid of the boldness in it. Right, I'm gonna get rid of the boldness, make it regular. Right, if I run it now, this is how it's gonna look like. Yeah, so I want to take it from there, and for now with that, I'm going to call it the end of the very first part of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys shortly.